Hey guys, it's Miss Polk again. I'm going to be saying your spelling words, so if you want to take your spelling test now, you can. Just get a piece of paper and follow along. The first word of Unit 6, Week 3 is explained. She explained why the window was broken. Explained. Number 2, remain. Remain there until I return. Remain. Number 3, reading. Joan was reading a book for class. Reading. Number 4, detail. She painted each detail carefully. Detail. Number 5, pre-soak. You must pre-soak the dirty shirts. Pre-soak. Number 6, monkey. The zoo had only one baby monkey. Monkey. Number 7, brief. Dennis read the brief news story. Brief. Number 8, preteen. The preteen still liked the children's book. Preteen. Number 9, about. She talked about his test score. About. Number 10, allowing. My mother is allowing me to invite a friend over. Allowing. Number 11, complain. Do not complain about the food. Complain. Number 12, enjoys. My class enjoys recess. Enjoys. Number 13, poison. There was poison in the king's cup. Poison. Number 14, repeats. She often repeats what she said before. Repeats. Number 15, unreal. Winning the lottery seemed unreal. Unreal. Number 16, Meredith was able to crawl today. Able. Number 17. Castle. I wish I lived in a tall castle. Number 18. Towel. I forgot my towel when I went to the pool. Towel. Number 19. Repaid. I repaid the repairman. Repaid. Number 20. Approached. I was approached by a dog. Approached. Now, guys, with your spelling test, the first 15 is usually what I count points against. I believe it's if you actually want to give yourself a grade and know how well you did. Minus 4 points for everyone that you get wrong for the first 15, and then if you get any of the last 5 correct, that's an extra point. Okay. Thanks. Talk to you later.